Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kombucha without SCOBY. Start by brewing strong sweet tea using black or green tea and 1 cup sugar per gallon, then cool to room temperature before adding a starter. Use raw unpasteurized kombucha or live culture store-bought kombucha, about 2 cups per gallon, to introduce bacteria and yeast. Cover with breathable cloth and ferment at room temperature, tasting after day 7. After you have your starter and cooled sweet tea, combine them gently in a clean glass jar and whisk to distribute the culture. Use a breathable cover and secure it with a rubber band to keep out dust while allowing airflow. Store the jar somewhere out of direct sunlight with a steady temperature for fermentation, and resist moving it to avoid disturbing developing colonies and flavors during the first week. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes and notes by the kitchen a breeze, with a crisp display and long battery life that fits into busy routines. I love keeping brewing reference tips on it for easy access. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for signs of healthy fermentation like mild bubbles, a tangy aroma, and slight cloudiness forming. These indicate active cultures. Mold is fuzzy and colored. If you see it, safely discard the batch and clean everything thoroughly before starting over. For fizz, bottle in airtight containers for a secondary ferment with a small amount of fruit or sugar, and burp cautiously to manage pressure while building pleasant carbonation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.